So hello everyone, my name is Shreya and welcome back to our YouTube channel Bags Packed. In this video, I'm going to tell you another set of 5 important things that you can carry for road trips for a better survival. So let's start the video. The first most important thing is if you are going on a long road trip and you know that you have to be on the road for more than a day, always try to pack your food for the first day, okay? And for that, you need disposable plates and disposable water cups. As I was telling on the other video, carry your own garbage bag, put it in there and then dispose it in a dustbin. So trust me, this is going to be very useful, carrying your own disposable plates and water cups. So number 2, carry your own cutleries, very basic ones, a fork, a spoon and a knife. A knife is mostly to cut fruits and you can use the fork and the spoon if you're getting your own food from home to serve it and to eat it as well. I understand that the disposable spoon and the disposable forks are available in the market, but they break very often, okay? So it is very, very essential that you carry your own cutleries and use it. Trust me, this is going to help you on your road trips. So the third point according to me is always try to carry a spare set of your house keys and car keys. Okay, God forbid if something happens to the original ones, you can always rely on the backup. So try to carry a backup of your house keys and car keys. Number 4, carry your own sanitary items. Very basic. Okay, I know that if you're staying on the road for longer days, you have to stay in hotels, but there are some hotels which they do not provide soap and sanitary items, and sometimes you find it disgusting to use it. I'm just using the better word. So carry your own stuff, very basic, mini soap, your own toothbrush, sanitizer. You can use pouches of shampoos and conditioners, or I have considered, one of the hotels have given me this, I mean takeaways. Yeah, I have not stolen them, but you can carry a set of shampoo and conditioner in a bottle as well. So yes, and very important, mini toothpaste also you can carry. So the 4th point is carry your own sanitary items. It is going to help you for longer run. Number 5, I'm not sure how many of you will agree this with me, but I'm just telling my point of view. Carry your own towel and a bed sheet. Okay, of course if you're staying in a hotel, they will be providing you blanket and bed sheet, but if you ask me, I do not like to use their blankets, so I always carry my own bed sheet and my towel. So please ensure that you carry your own stuffs so that you don't have to rely always on the hotels. So yes, these are the 5 most important things according to me that you can carry for better survivals on long road trips. If you like this video, please go ahead and like it, and if you want to see more videos like this, I would request you to subscribe my channel. It will definitely mean a lot to me. So I'll come up with a new exciting travel video. Stay tuned and stay happy. Take care. Bye bye.